In this video, I'll be solving the ALEKS problem called Names and Symbols of Important Elements. In this problem, you're going to be given either the name or the symbol for 6 different elements. You just have to provide whichever is not being given to you. I think the easiest way to solve this problem is just go to the internet and do a search for elements in alphabetical order. Any website is going to work. I'm just going to take the first one here, radiochemistry.org. This link is going to give us a list of all of the elements and their symbols. The elements are in alphabetical order. You can see the symbols are not necessarily in alphabetical order. I might make it a little tricky, but this is going to be easier than searching on a periodic table. The first one that's been provided to us is oxygen. So we're just going to go over here, find oxygen. You can see the symbol for oxygen is right there. It's just a capital O. If an element has just one letter in its symbol, that letter is always capitalized, and ALEKS is definitely going to be picky about that. For the second element, we have potassium. Don't just assume that it's a P. That would be logical, but there's more than one element that starts with a P. Potassium, I guess I don't know my alphabet. Here's potassium, and you can see that the symbol for potassium is K. And we also have, let's just do the bromine as well. Go find bromine. Bromine is an element that has 2 letters in its symbol. If there are 2 letters in the atomic symbol, the first letter is always capitalized and the second letter is lowercase. Now for ones where we have the symbol and we're looking for the element's name, this could be a little bit trickier on this particular list. There is probably, I'm sure, there's probably a list that has the symbols in alphabetical order that you could use if you're struggling to find them. But here I was able to find capital N, and that is for nitrogen. My assumption with this problem is that ALEKS does not want you to capitalize the first letter of the element's name. And I'm making that assumption just based on the ones that have been provided to us. Those ones don't have the first letter capitalized. Our next symbol that we have is Cu, and there is Cu, that is the symbol for copper. Spelling is definitely going to be important, so make sure you're not spelling them wrong. And then last but not least, I have the single letter B, and that is the symbol for boron.